Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm fine, and in this session we are going to discuss about some multiple choice questions based on the previous concept, that is mammals. Welcome back to EduHunt video lecture series. Let's begin the question. To which of the following taxonomic group does the whale belong? Usually, while reading this question, everybody thinks that whale, it resembles the fish. Obviously, we choose the option Pisces, but the actual answer is mammals. Mammals is the correct answer. Mammals is the class to which the whale belongs. The zoological name of lion is, among these four, Panthera leo is the scientific name of the lion. Kangaroos are marsupials because they produce helpless infants, immature infants. The females have a marsupial pouch. They are found in Australia and Austria. They show oviparity because they have a marsupial pouch and they produce the immature infants or immature children, that is immature progeny. So kangaroos are marsupials because the females have a marsupial pouch, but why they produce that pouch? Because they give birth to underdeveloped infants, that is helpless. They produce helpless or underdeveloped infants. Underdeveloped infants. Odd-toed mammals, horse, ass, zebra, belong to the order Artiodactyla, Lagomorpha, Perissodactyla and Edentata. So, Perissodactyla is the order to which odd-toed mammals are present. That is like 1 or 3, like that. Odd number of toes are present in this order. Eutherians are characterized by skin with glands, true placentation, hairy skin, locomotion by hind limbs. So the feature of eutheria is true placentation. These are called true placental mammals or placental mammals in short. The characteristic feature of placental mammals is absence of marsupium or epipubic bone, presence of a true placenta, viviparity, all the above. So, all the above characters are the characteristic features of placental mammals. Which of the following mammal has scrotal testis? That is, testis is present in scrotal sacs or scrotum. That is present in Protheria, elephant, all placental mammals and man. It is the man in which the scrotal testes are present. Duck-billed platypus, or also known as the scientific name of this is Ornithorhynchus, is now confined to, it is confined to Australia. The ruminants are included in the order Sirenia, Perissodactyla, Proboscidea, Artiodactyla. So this is Artiodactyla, Perissodactyla, in which the odd number of toes were present. Artiodactyla, in which the ruminants are seen. Which of the following mammals lay eggs? They lay eggs. Spiny anteater. Among these, bat, scaly anteater, spiny anteater, whale. Among these four, spiny anteater, echidna, that lays eggs. Kangaroo is a native of, we know that it is the native organism or native animal of Australia. Rabbits belong to which order of Mammalia? Rabbits, they belong to, its name is Oryctolagus. It is Lagomorpha is the order to which the rabbits belong. Camel is different from other mammals in having subcutaneous fat, more than 7 cervical vertebrae, no sweat glands, oval-shaped RBC. Yes, oval-shaped RBC. While discussing about circulatory system, we have in the module 1, we have discussed that the RBC are usually, the mature RBC lack nucleus. Enucleated RBC are present and they are like dumbbell shaped. But in what we call camel and llama, both mammals have nucleated RBC. So this is the case where nucleated RBC, oval shaped nucleated RBC are present. Echidna is a mammal which is native of Africa, native of Australia, South America, Asia. It is native of Australia. And in mammals, the function of the diaphragm is, it helps in respiration. And to which taxonomic group does Pteropus belong? Pteropus is a bat and it belongs to mammals. In which pair both characters are found without exception in all mammals? Hair vivipary, vivipary and internal fertilization, vivipary and mammary glands and internal fertilization. What is common in bat, whale and rat? Among these, absence of neck, muscular diaphragm, testis outside the abdominal cavity, external ear pinna. Muscular diaphragm is the common feature in all the given animals. Which of these exhibit echolocation? I have discussed about this echolocation. Echolocation is presence of or the locating the object by producing, by observing the echo. While producing the sound, when it hits the object, again it reflected by the object, and if it is very near to that, near to the organism, it comes, the sound reaches or reflects very quickly. If the object is far away from the animal, it takes time. So by locating this is called echolocation. By locating the object, by producing the echo and detecting the objects, this is known as echolocation. Detection of objects by producing echo, by observing the echo. This is called echolocation. It is seen in whale. Even bats also it is quite common. Birds and mammals share one of the following characteristics as a common feature: pigmented skin, vivipary, pneumatic bones, a warm-blooded nature. Warm-blooded nature is the answer. Unique feature of mammalian body is presence of, it is presence of 4-chambered heart, homeothermy, diaphragm and rib cage. Diaphragm is the correct answer because the four-chambered heart is seen even in aves. Birds, uh, homeothermy is also seen in birds. So that diaphragm is the correct answer. With this, we have finished the multiple choice questions and animal kingdom on the whole. We have completed our task, that is animal kingdom, right from the beginning, that is right from the first phylum, first major phylum, that is protozoa, right from protozoa till mammals. We have finished all the tasks, all the concepts very clearly. While discussing, we have discussed about general features of each and every major phylum. General features, and for some of the major phyla, we have also discussed about the classification and various examples to which various classes possess the organisms, various classes of various classes in which the different organisms placed. So these things we have discussed in detail. And now we have come to the flag end. With this, we have finished all the animal kingdom. So in the next session, we'll be going to discuss about plant kingdom. And I hope you have understood the animal kingdom, various major phyla, and the entire animal kingdom is classified into 11 major phyla. Among these, only one major phylum is the chordates, that is vertebrate animals, and remaining 10 major phyla are invertebrates. Among invertebrates, the first one is the protozoa, and then porifera, coelenterata, also called Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata. These are the 10 major phyla which are grouped under invertebrate category. And we have seen the general features of all the phyla and their classification, the examples in detail. And the only one vertebrate major phylum is the chordata, its classification, and the classes like Pisces, and in tetrapoda we have seen amphibia, reptiles, aves, and finally the mammals. We have done our task successfully, and it is now it's your turn to learn the concepts and make out the one which is easier, and also put a tick mark over the concepts which are difficult for you to understand. For that, what we have to do is, you just take out the book and note down the difficult tasks and open the video, and once again listen to that, make a note on that, and then again put focus on those chapters which you feel difficult. If the chapters which are you feel that they are easy, put little effort, but the task which you feel a bit tough, you have to put more effort and learn so many times. That gives you confidence. All the best to you, and perform well in your future examinations. Goodbye.